Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So let's go to work. We got today, Wednesday. It's gonna be nice today, maybe up to 67, and then it's supposed to get rainy again for a couple days here, and then it's supposed to get up to, again to like 67 this weekend. And then guess what, everybody? It's going straight to 85. So that's nice. At least it'll be warm. So, but that's Chicago weather for you. We go from winter to summer. We get like no spring. There's been, so I usually consider spring, you know, like, oh, it's nice 70s for like a couple weeks, or ideally a month, but nah, Chicago. It's got other plans. So I got the pieces I need for my bar end mirrors. The kit that I got from Amazon for the hardware, it looks like that's gonna work just fine. The screws that they sent me, you know, for their hardware kit, they won't fit these bar end mirrors. But the cool part about these bar end mirrors is that they gave me, like I said, they gave me 6mm and 8mm bolts, so I'll be able to. I already kind of, I didn't try it in a set up my set of bars yet. I probably should, but and then I think what I'm going to do, I also received the aluminum standoffs that I ordered from McMaster, and I think it'll work with the setup that I got off of Amazon. But what I'm going to do is show you guys how to. We'll make the other piece. I'll show you how to do it. We'll experiment with that. It's not that hard. It'll be easy. It's aluminum. It's soft. So, but and it's a little nipply. It's like 39 degrees right now. Like I said, it's supposed to be like 60 something this afternoon. But so, you know, I got out the winter gloves. At least I'm not wearing a scarf. I don't like how it chokes me up around the neck. It's fine. It's a little chilly for a minute, but it's fine. So we'll kind of hungry. Let's see if we can stop at McD's. Get myself a biscuit or something. We'll see. But yeah, so. I got an order with me. Nice guy. He bought some. Yo. Are they racing? Anyways, there's a nice guy that bought some hot. He asked for pink or hot pink on eBay. So I was like, well, I'll just send you both. I sent him some undertail washers and some mirror blank-off plugs, which, by the way, those are really starting to sell on eBay. I just sold like my third set in a week. Anyways, nice guy. Yo, the fuck, my guy. Jesus. Shit. So he bought some trim washers, or I think before he bought undertail washers and something else, and then and the mirror blank offs, and then I was like, yeah, you know, no big deal. I refunded him shipping because he paid twice for shipping. I don't have it combined shipping on eBay. It's kind of a pain in the ass. I'd rather just refund people the difference in shipping if they order multiple things. But so then he came back and he's like, yo, I want some panel washers and the trim washers. So he ordered everything in hot pink. I guess, you know, I gave him the choice of both, and he said, can I get the hot pink? And I was like, yeah, sure. So nice guy. So I got that with me. So let's we're just gonna pull up here because it's not gonna hear me. It's not going to hear me. But seeing that reminds me of my daughter. She's always like, can we get a sakura tree, which is just a cherry blossom tree. She loves Japanese stuff. Oh, you know, it's funny, I realize now I've been having a lot easier time getting it in and out of neutral. Whatever, you know, it's breaking in. It's definitely way easier. Like, look at that, just pop it right in there. It's like before you had to be slamming it, and that definitely seems to be working a lot better. It just goes right up into neutral now. Let's get my card out. It's kind of hard in the drive-thru because I got my gloves on. Let's see here. Hey, can I get a sausage biscuit with egg?
The deal?
Yeah. Most of the times when you don't see me, I'm riding the bike because I can't get coffee. I have nowhere to put it.
Oh, I get you. There you go. You all set up.
All right, let's see it. All right. Push. That's why I like this little thing. Yeah, they're pretty nice here.
Hello.
Thank you. Hi.
Hey, thank you.
Thanks. Oh, we got it. Let's pull over here. There we go. All right. Let's get this in the bag. So, anyways. Yeah, we got some, like I said, I've been doing pretty good and selling a bunch of stuff, so, you know. Actually, somebody from Rick's channel, Will835, lives in Thailand. He was looking to get some stuff, and he left a comment on one of Rick's videos for I don't know if you guys know, if you look back, I sent him I made his brother John a whole kit. I call it the Dark Knight Edition. It's everything all black, and including blacked out screws, which are pretty awesome. And so the guy was like, I wish you had an email. I'm like, oh, I do. If you look at my about page, it's there. You can find it. But so I left him a comment and just said, yeah, here's my email. Hit me up. We'll make it happen. You know, Thailand, I don't know, apparently he was saying something about not using Instagram in Thailand or something. I don't know, I kind of looked it up and I was like, is it banned there? But apparently they've got some weird censorship rules or something. I don't know, I have no idea. But I get it, not everybody is on Insta. I mean, it's free, but, you know, I get it. So, no big deal. We'll, I've been waiting for an email from him, so, you know, if he emails me, I'll give him what he wants. It could be a little pricey. I mean, like I said, international stuff is pricey anyways. I think the last time I sent some stuff to Australia, mate, it was like, it was like 32 bucks, 33 bucks, you know? And, I know the last guy that I'd helped out, he ordered back in February, and it took, like, he still hadn't gotten his shit, so I was like, all right, you know. So it was like 2 months later or something, so I just sent him another set. I was like, fuck it, and I paid the cost of the shipping. I was like, you know what, you already paid once, you know, I get that, you know, Australian Post fucking lost it or whatever, who knows, they probably took it home, you know. And so I said, this is what I said, don't worry about it, mate, I got you, cheers. Or bruv, hey bruv, I got you, something like that. It was kind of something like that. So he was super happy. It was nice. I hate when people don't get their stuff. You know, it's hard. You know, being continents away. You know, and I mean, you think about logistically, like how does shit get from one place to another, and then you're like, oh damn, it changes like a gazillion hands before it gets where it needs to get to. You know, but he got it. He was happy. So, but yeah. So this weekend, let's see what we can get done. You know, I'm gonna try. Like I said, the big thing is gonna be the bars, and it's nice. John already drilled the bars so for the pins for the controls, so I won't have to do that. But you know, so we'll get those on, and then I'll be rolling pro taper style. All right. Let's make sure we don't ship our sandwich. We ship the package. Nice package. All right. There we go. All right, buddy. Here come your hot pink washers. Enjoy. Thanks again. So let's blast in here, man. My face is fogging up. Open that up for a second. It's a beautiful morning. I like that it's getting lighter. I mean, I like riding in the dark too, but it's better when, you know, people can see you. Hence why I put all the toxic waste yellow on my bike. I want to be seen. Full tank of gas and nowhere to go. Oh, looks like they cleaned up Mr. Rodney Roadkill. Remember the other day he was sitting right there by the big old possum or something. Just turned into street pizza. That's what I call it. Oh yeah. Oop. Turn off that turn signal. So yeah, what else we got going on? Not much. Man, that sun is bright even through my sun shield. Woo! Hey. Close your eyes, Marion. Shit. Yeah, this is, see, another reason you don't want to be riding at sunup. People are going to have a fuck of a time trying to see you, you know, if their eyes are blinded. I mean, at least if you were coming west and going east, you know, the sun's in my eyes, so I don't really care, but come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can't see anything. Oh, hello. Hello. I told you, they're there. I got my badge. Yep, got my badge. Ah, man. Yeah, riding in the morning is great because, you know, if you were kind of sleepy, you won't be about 5 seconds after you rode the bike. It's nice and crisp outside. Good way to start your day. A little adrenaline, freeze a little bit, get that blood pumping. Let's see what's going on here. So, but see what else we got going on. The lab got a new director. Our other one quit, resigned, whatever you want to say. I don't think there's anything nefarious going on there, but you know, it's like, you know, being a top level executive at, like, you know, a major corporation, right? You know, these guys shuffle all around. You know, they stay somewhere, you know, 2, 3, 4 years, and that's it. You know, but we'll see what happens. You know, hopefully we continue to get funding for the major projects that we're working on. Oh, it's funny, the other day, one of the guys I work with, this guy named Gustavo, he's a principal engineer for one of the projects that we work on. It's for quantum information systems, QIS, and he popped up on my Google. I was looking through my Google news feed. I'm like, what the hell? I sit, 2 doors from this guy, and I, basically help them with all their projects. And I'm like, what the hell is he doing on my Google? Thought it was a story about, this cool electronics that we built. Morning.
Thanks. Have a good day.
All right, we'll see you later. Is it just me, or is that... I like that guy, but he always seems so unhappy looking at me. It's like, yeah, whatever. Anyway, so some pretty cool stuff, like quantum's relatively new anyways, and they designed some stuff to some hardware to replace like a whole computer server's full of worth of equipment onto one circuit board. Now granted, she thick, she big, but it's pretty amazing, and for like a tenth the cost, right? It's ooh, the smell like vanilla candles. There's a here in Batavia, just down the street, we got a candle company. Certain times during the year, man, it's either that or it's side night. It smells like almonds. Oh fuck. Well, it smells pretty good though. Alright, we're entering the kill box here. And my eyes are watering. Oh, perfect time for that. Just close my left eye, I don't need that. Alright, 53. Over 55. 56. 56. 57. 58. 58. So we got up to 58. It's the best I can do. I'm hovering at like probably $1.85, so we're getting 102 miles to the gallon. Yeah, since the other day I've already gone. Remember I said it was like 1,701 miles. Now we're at 1,724. So gone 23 miles just in a couple of days. So I said I go about 8 miles a day. So man, what a nice morning. Oh wow. I don't know. I need to fix my clock. I keep doing that. Oh, easy. So, all right, guys. We're here, so you know what that means. It's about time to go. So, let's turn this thing off. And I need to put some lube down my my key slot there. All right, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Easy.